We're all familiar with the electronic musical instruments that are often used alongside their traditional acoustic counterparts. These instruments normally consist of a controller, for example a keyboard, linked to a synthesizer. While this setup works well for keyboard-based sounds, it's not great at emulating string instruments like the violin. The sound of a violin is shaped by subtle movements of the bowing arm and hand, and it's this that makes the instrument so expressive. But these complex movements can't be captured with a keyboard alone. That's where the Bowsynth comes in. It's an electronic instrument that lets you use a regular bow alongside a keyboard controller. My name is Dylan Menzies. I'm currently a research engineer at the University of Southampton, and I have a background that includes working at one of the largest audio tech companies in the world. The unique Bowsynth controller captures a bow's motion in 3 directions, whilst the note is selected using a keyboard. The bow and keyboard communicate to the Bowsynth synthesizer software. Optical flow sensing is used to detect the motion of the bow, and this controls 3 separate parameters. The horizontal movement controls the normal stroke movements of the bow. The transverse motion can be used to control the level of vibrato, something that's very difficult to master on the real thing. Making contact with and removing the bow shapes the beginning and end of the note, respectively. The industry standard for musical instrument communication, MIDI, is used, which means that the Bowsynth can be plugged directly into any digital audio workstation running the synthesizer software. For the producer, Bowsynth provides a completely new way to create compelling string content, efficiently and with full editing capability. On stage, Bowsynth is an innovative new string instrument which does not suffer from the feedback problems of acoustic instruments or the poor sound quality of electric strings. And for the general musician, Bowsynth is a fun way to perform expressive string music without years of training. We already have a working prototype, which has received a positive reaction in the media and many requests from individuals and retailers. The manufacture of a batch of high-quality pilot devices is underway. The plan is to sell these to professional and semi-professional musicians. Eventually, we aim to use the technology, which has been patented in the US and the UK, to produce a device with mass consumer and educational market appeal. We're currently looking for mentors and business partners experienced in the music technology industry to help us carry this business forward.